Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to create website. That too with WordPress. I'm going to show you. You can see this is my website, odmt.in. I designed this with the WordPress, no coding. People ask question like, if you create a website without coding, is it secure or not? It's same whether you do with the WordPress or HTML. The only difference is HTML people write literally code. Here we don't write. Automatically system will generate the code. You can see here I didn't write any code, but automatically system have generated the code. 95% of the client you can satisfy with the WordPress. Not only this, created blog, created e-commerce website, and we're getting very results. SEO WordPress is more SEO friendly also. Okay, so I'll show you how to create a website like this. Not only like this, when I'll show you beautycrew.com. This is another e-commerce website. This is done in Shopify. The same thing you can do in WordPress also. This kind of website, how to do it also, I'm going to teach you. Next thing is a blog, like Histaco. This is a blog actually. This is also designed in WordPress. Whether it is a website, e-commerce, or blog, how to create, I'm going to teach you now. Before that, I'll tell you one concept. Just see this website. This is called ndtv.com. Okay, so even though it's a HTML, they have some template. The website look like this only. But if you want to see the cricket news here, the look and feel should be something else. Because cricket, now when I open cricket, see a different template came here. But try to see the URL. This is ndtv.com. This is sports.ndtv.com. So they separately created a website. So instead of creating like ndtv.com, for cricket something else website, for a movie separate website, what they did is, this is called subdomain concept. If you purchase one domain like ndtv.com, n number of subdomain you can take. Movies.ndtv, fashion.ndtv, travel.ndtv, you can take it. This is called subdomains. Okay, how to create subdomains? I'm going to paste the link in the description. You can click on watch. You will find how to create subdomain. You should have a cPanel for that anyway. So as of now, it's not required, but whenever you want to see this, watch the video. Now, in order for practice, I created subdomain lubna.dialpalamuru.com. Dial Palamuru is my main website, and just now I created lubna.dialpalamuru.com. How I created, you will find in the description link. Click on that, you will see here. Now this is nothing empty. Now I'm going to make it as a website. You type any websites, NDTV or ODMT. If you type this, you can see the website, but you are the developer. You want to log in. Then if it is a WordPress, you'll be logging like this. Type your domain name /wp-admin. When you enter, it will be asking you username and password. You have to type the username and password. Where will you get the username and password? Whenever you're purchasing domain and hosting, the service provider will give you this. You only write it anyway. Then by the time of buying domain and hosting, you'll be having this. Just enter it. Now, just now I created lubna.dialpalamuru.com. So type /wp-admin. WP means WordPress. Admin means you are the admin. Then it is asking you username and password. Because I created this, I have a username and password. Lubna, I'm going to send you this anyway, the password.
All right.
Now, when I enter the ID and password perfectly, it will go to the dashboard. Now, when you're doing for the first time, it will ask you get started quickly with WordPress. People generally click on Start Wizard. Don't click on this. Go for No Thanks. Start Wizard means it will give you some steps and we're not required because we're learning anyway. So click on No Thanks. Now you'll be going to the dashboard. This is the dashboard left hand side. Okay. There are many options anyway, but we'll learn one by one. So to log into the website, type that website name /WPFN admin. It will ask you username and password. If you enter, it will be going to your dashboard. Now, step-by-step process of creating a website, that to WordPress website. What are the step-by-step process? These are the 4 steps, remember. First, create pages. Second, menu. Third, theme. Fourth, customize. The 4 steps you have to do it. Okay. So assume that I want to create a hospital website. I wanted to create a hospital website. So first do business analysis. What is your website? What kind of services you're providing? What are the timings and everything? After that, start creating pages. You might have seen if you go to any website, the common pages you will see them is home, about us, contact us. These are common. Lubna, tell me, apart from home, about us, and contact us, for hospital website, what pages are important?
Specialities.
What specialties?
Specialities like the departments that the hospitals have, like ophthalmology, gastro, orthopedic,
Correct.
etc.
Let me call it as
Then,
a services. Under
yeah,
services, I'm providing like cardiology, gynecology, and pediatrics. Okay, I created pages. I thought that in order to create a website for this hospital, 3, 4, the 7 pages are required. You create them anyway. In future, if you want to add anything, you can add it anyway. And
okay.
after that, you have to make those pages in a proper menu. Menu means you just see here any website.
Yeah.
This website
You
have
mean
a
in
menu.
a you mean in a chronological order?
Correct. Sometimes drop downs and all this.
Okay.
Okay. Third is theme. See, as I told you, right, the specialty of the WordPress is you don't write a code, but you will find n number of themes. You want hospital, hospital templates will be there. School templates, college templates. These are free. You can select them and use it. You will be having a hospital website ready. But it will be having their images, their videos. Next, in the customize option, you will change them. All the options, you're going to change them.
You mean customize means you can customize the theme or customize the data, I mean the content, the
They
content
customize a
and
theme only. First of all, you customize the theme actually. Then the content also you will do it.
okay. So basically the third option is theme that's provided, by WordPress. Customizes if you want something in that theme or you want to add something into that theme, right?
Like I tell you, the developer have give a theme where some doctor image is there, the foreign doctor image is there. Now I can go to the customize, I can remove that image, I can put my own image. There is something else
Okay.
is the title is there, I can change it, I can add. I can change the colors, many things I can do. You will come to know now. Now I've been to the dashboard, I want to start a website. What is the first step I said? Now to create, I've logged into the dashboard. What is the first step?
Create pages.
Can you see left hand side? Click on
Yeah.
pages
Add new.
and add new. By default, it gave me pages like privacy policy sample page. If you want, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can remove it. Privacy policy, let it be like that. It's not required, but if you want. Every company have their privacy policy, right? If you want, let it
Mhm.
be. Click on add new. Now first, home page. Home. Again, what are the content you want to write? You have to write here. Okay, I'm not writing any
All
content
right.
as of now. Later
All
I'll write.
right.
Type
All right.
home and publish. Done. Page has been created. One page has been created. If you want, open in a new tab and see the page. Nothing is there. It look nothing, but see, right click, view page source, see how much of code it's written. So by default, in order to show this page, it's written some code. We're not writing automatically. WordPress is writing for you. One page is done. We thought to create 7 pages. Let us create all of them. Click on add new.
And you can edit it, right?
Anytime you can edit.
All right.
About us. In such a way, click on add new and create all the pages.
Okay.
Add new.
Mm.
Yeah. So now we created all the pages. Just here, all 7 pages are created. Now a second step, once we done the pages, second option is menu. Can you see menu option here? Left hand side. You can find pages here. Where is the menu?
Menu would be under. I can't see menu.
If it is not available, put your cursor like this. Sub menus will come.
Yeah, in appearance.
So in appearance available, click on the menu. Focus here. Here I'm giving a menu name. You can give any name. I'm giving it as a ABC. This is the menu name. Now all the pages which you created will be available left hand side. Select one by one or select all. Add those pages in the menu. You're adding all the pages in the menu, right?
Mm.
But these are not a proper way. Home is down, pediatrics is top. So put your cursor on home, drag and drop. Home, about us, services. Under services, I want cardiology.
But why do we need a menu basically? If we can already create pages, why would we need a menu?
Menu is required, right? You want to show to the customer. Only pages like when you go to the hotel, when you want to order something, they give menu right in a proper way. In the same way, this is also. It's a browsing
But
purpose.
but if you do not have a menu structure, would the pages not show?
Yeah, you created a page. If there is no menu, it will not show. Menu is mandatory.
Okay. All right.
Now see, I want cardiology, gynecology, and pediatrics should be under services, right?
Yeah.
It looked like these 3 are under services, but it's not. Now this cardiology, gynecology, pediatrics comes besides to services. If you want to make them under services, what you have to do is put your cursor on the page which you want to be a sub menu, drag and drop. Now cardiology will be a sub item of
All
services.
right.
This will come
So
under
this becomes a list box.
like this. Now these 3 will be
Okay.
under services. Now if you want something else to be under pediatrics, take that page and put besides the pediatrics.
All right.
That's it. Then save menu. Okay. I created
Where is it
pages.
save?
It's saved. Save menu.
It's already means it automatically saves it?
Yo, I clicked on the save menu.
Okay, all right.
Right. Done. The next option, theme. So can you see theme option left hand side?
Yeah.
This is the important one. If you want to make your website good, by default we have 3 themes. 3 are not good. Then you can try something like add new. You'll find a
Okay.
number of themes. You can see these are all the themes we have. It's your responsibility. Think which will be best suitable for you. You can see this is looking like a blog. This is
If
looking
I
like a
don't like
website.
any of these, if I don't like any of these and I want to create my own theme, how do I opt for
Themes,
that?
themes only developers can create it. See, you
Okay,
can
all
see
right.
this is looking like an image. This is not an image. It's collection of some functions. People with the HTML or PHP, they develop it. So you can't develop a theme. You're developing a theme
Okay.
means you are a developer.
Okay.
It's not like that you don't like the themes. A number of themes there. Now these are all there. You don't like any one of them. Then go to popular. latest, favorites. Now see, this is
I'm just asking because in case I still don't like anything, there are a number of websites we see on a daily basis. So, is there a possibility using the same domain name we get this website created then by a developer, isn't it?
correct.
Okay, all
But
right.
what I can say is you will never get that. You don't need to do that one anyway, because WordPress is more
Okay.
complex. If you keep learning, you can create a
Mm-hmm.
website same like what people are doing with HTML and PHP.
Okay.
So I can, because of my experience, I can tell this is good for website, this is good for website, this is good for website, this is good for blog, this is good for blog. See the theme, right?
All right. Got it.
And if you don't like any one of them, check latest favorites. And even you can search themes
Okay.
here. If you type hospital,
All
hospital
right.
themes will come. Okay. Now, as of now, I'm activating this theme. The theme name is Sydney. I'm installing it. You have to install and you have to activate. And there are some WordPress themes like I want hospital WordPress themes. As of now, whatever we did, it's a free of cost. If you want, you can buy themes also. These are the premium ones.
Ah, so
Maybe
you can buy themes.
you can buy themes. You saying that you didn't like it, you will buy them. Obviously, this will look good. Let's show a few of the themes, how they look like. Let's see this theme.
So I'll just make a note.
See the live preview, how it look like. You have to pay $36. Then if you install and activate it, your website will look like this. This is the paid themes. Anyway, you don't
But
need
how
to.
would this theme go to my domain?
That I'll show you. Just
Okay.
here, if you install
Yeah.
this theme, your website will look like this. You have a
All
beautiful
right.
slider, and
Yeah.
the pages menu is properly structured. And you just
Yeah.
take them and you can put your images and
Yeah.
appointments, doctor's list, testimonials, everything is there. It's a very good
All
theme for
right.
hospital.
Yeah.
Okay, everything you can customize. But I'll show you free of cost how to do it. If you try first of all, if it is not going well, then go for the paid theme. But most of the time we can do with the
Mm.
free theme. Now
Mm.
I install the theme, right? And I activate it. Okay. Previously our website was like this, empty.
Yeah.
And after applying a theme, just see our website, lubna.dialparamro. Our website is looking like this. Still no change, because first focus more on all the things. Pages done, menus done, theme done, customize not done. Once you done this option, see how it is looking like. Come back here,
Okay. So
customize.
without all the four, the page will not reflect how it should.
Yeah. Sometimes some things will reflect, some things will not reflect. It's always good. Now customize option, there are some options. Don't skip any option. Check each and every one. Assume that you got new smartphone. Does anybody training you on the smartphone how to operate?
No.
Then how you learning?
By checking it,
Spending
tooling
more
through
time,
it.
right? Here also,
Yeah.
each theme have its own customized option. Being a trainer, I can't train you each and every theme. You go and check what is this, what is it. Simple thing. Check it, change it. Check it, change it. And something like settings will be there. Don't afraid like if you go to setting, something happened, my website will go. Nothing will happen. Without killing a patient, you can't become a doctor. Okay, famous doctor means famous number of patients gone. So you also kill at least one website, then only you'll become a developer. Okay,
All right.
check each and every option. What is this? What is this 83? Change some number. And here site title
What
and
does that it
tagline.
mean?
You try it.
Okay, I see what it changes with changing
Yeah, see
options, right?
top padding is 83. Now if you change how much padding it's coming, you can check it. Now site title. If we don't have any title, I'm changing the title. Just see. I'm writing like Lubna Hospital. Tagline I'm writing best hospital in India. It will come after some time anyway. Don't close, go back. Header area. Something I have to tell here. What is header? What is footer? In my website or any website, this thing is called header. The top thing is called
Yeah.
header,
Yeah. The
and
bottom
this
is the footer.
this is the footer.
Yeah.
And
Right.
when comes what is there in the right hand side, left hand side, these are called the sidebars.
Hmm.
I created one menu, right? What is the menu name I gave?
ABC.
ABC. So here I have one menu. Here also have one menu. You can put something in the footer also. So I created only one menu. You can create multiple menus.
How?
Same thing. Go to appearance menu, create new menu. So here, this is header. In the header, one menu I put. This is called pre-header.
Yeah.
Here, one more menu I put. Generally, it's very rare anyway. But if
But
you
I
want,
thought menu was only for the pages, isn't it?
menu is only for pages only. I'm showcasing all the pages here. But I can't
Yeah.
showcase head number, right? If I want, I
Yeah.
can pre-header also. I want to show something here. Okay. In the footer
Yeah.
also, I want to show something anyway. Generally,
Yeah.
people create only one menu, but depends on the requirement. You can have multiple menus also.
So how do you make multiple menus? Can we go back?
I'm going back again. Can you tell me how to go to the menu?
Appearance.
Menu,
Under
right?
appearance and menus. Yeah.
And I created already one menu, ABC. It's done.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
here you'll be having one more option. Create new
Create a
menu.
new menu.
I'm writing like 1, 2, 3. New menu.
Yeah.
Now here I don't want to show all the pages. I want to show few pages like uh,
Uh, for the
cardiology,
menu
gynecology.
also, we could. Okay. Okay.
You just see I added 3 pages. And if I want not only from here, there are some more options here. Post, custom links, something is there. I'm writing something like custom links.
What about the display location for this menu?
No, first you create a menu. After that, wherever you want, you can set it. First,
Okay.
create a
Okay.
menu wherever you want, whether you want it in a header, footer, sidebar, you can check it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm writing something here like number. What are you calling me like? I'm just writing it.
What's the URL?
Any URL you can give. Someone click where it has to go. This is the custom link updated. See, when you drag and drop cardiology, if you click, it will go to the cardiology only. I selected
Yeah.
a custom link. So what is the link text? Where it has to go is asking. So see, the menu, new menu I created. Now we have two menus.
So basically, in the same menu, you can add custom link also.
Yes. Custom links also you can add. You can add your post. You can add your categories. Many things you can add. Uh, Wait for 2 more days. Again, you will understand. As of now, remember that you can create multiple menus. Okay.
Okay.
Again, I'm going back to the customize.
Yeah, I was asking how to apply the new bought purchased theme.
This theme, if you want to purchase, you want to apply. Hello.
Yeah.
1 second. So once you click on appearance and themes,
Actually, I can't see the screen. I can only see this. It's a black
1 second,
screen that
one
says,
second,
yeah,
one
okay.
second. It's gone actually. Now you can see, right?
Yeah, I can see now.
Right. Now once you go to appearance theme, there is an option to add new. You can add new. Now, whenever you want to purchase a theme here, you can buy now.
Okay, all right.
Buy now. And when you make the payment, they will be sending you one zip file.
Okay.
One zip file they'll be sending. 1 second, I can't. Every time this is coming. Right. Right. Now upload the theme. Whatever you have downloaded, you can upload over here.
Okay.
Okay?
Just
Take that zip
okay,
file
okay.
and upload it.
Browse it through the desktop or whatever
Correct.
location and then upload it. Okay.
And that will be coming. Now, by default, your website will be like that. But whatever changes you want, you can change it. Like what I'm doing, the customize option, what I'm doing, you can do it.
Mm. All right. Hello?
Yes, you can hear me, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Now I was changed my site title and tagline. Even if you want, you can upload your logo here. What are the logo is ready? And header area. What is header area?
The top of the page.
Okay, click on that. Here I gave many options. Okay, what is the header type? You want a full screen slider, image, video. Means this theme have a slider. Let it be like that. Now in the slider is asking to add some images so that the theme will slide. Now I need some images to add. So
Yeah.
I want to download it from the Google. See, when you're working for the bigger hospital, they provide you creatives.
Yeah.
Okay, but even if you download from the Google also, no problem, nothing will happen. There'll be no copyright claims, nothing, because it's already open. We can use it. Still, if you feel that I don't want to see, you want to use this image, it says that this is subject to copyright. If you're afraid, I'm telling you nothing will happen. But if you don't want to use, then click on tools.
Even if it's saying subjected to copyrights?
No problem, nothing will happen anyway. See, what my point is, assume that you're working for a big hospital like Yashoda Hospital. Why Yashoda Hospital use other people images? They have their own images. When you're creating a blog or your small website, then you can take from Google. No one will complain you anyway. If they observe, then there is
Okay.
a problem. Then you can remove it anyway. But still, if you don't want to take risk, click on the search images, tools. There is an option called usage rights, labeled for reuse. Now you'll get some images. These are all you can use it. No problem.
Mm.
Okay. Or else there is a website called Pixels. Yeah. Free stock
Yeah.
photos. You can get images
Yeah,
from
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
There'll be no copyright here. You can take images from here. Okay. When I'm taking from here only, don't directly click, right click and download. Click on this image. Wait for some time. Now download this image. Always use these kind of landscape images. Don't take diagonal images. Those will not fit in. It doesn't look good.
Mm.
Right. Now come back here. Now here they're asking what is the first slide. Select an image. I'm uploading that file from my desktop. Next, second slide. Want to upload another image. Then the third slide, another image uploading. Right. Now publish. Initially, when we created our website was like this. Second, it became like this. Now it became like this. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So we spent only less time. Still, we have website. Can you see Lubna Hospital?
But where the pages?
1 second. Okay, and by default it has its own text. Even you can change the text.
If I don't want the text,
You can remove this. There will be no text. Writing,
okay.
welcome to Lubna Hospital. Book appointments. Next I'm writing list cardiology hospital
Over? Done? कितने बजे रहेगा और कितना टाइम लगेगा?
in India.
How much time will take? 3 hours. 30 minutes. Take it and go there. Ippo कुछ करने का?
In India. Publish. Now you can see here.
Yeah.
Nothing came anyway. So I'm telling you, what is the problem with the WordPress? Now he gave you one slider. If you want, you can change the image. He gave you
Okay.
text. If you want, you can change the text. But you
All right.
can't change the color of this text. Few options only you can change, not the detail. Like see here, sometimes this text is not appearing properly because the background is dark. It is good. If it is white, obviously this is not good. You want to
But
change
what
the color?
about the font colors can be changed, right?
That's what I'm saying. Especially in the slider, this color you can't change. Few options like
All right.
website title, this you can change, but these details you can't do it. But once you are expert in WordPress, still you can do it. Let me show you. It's not required for you, but I'm trying to show you. Once you become experienced, then you have to try. Here, that thing also can change.
Okay. How did you change that?
Can you see this? It's become red.
Yeah, but how did you change that?
It's not required for you.
You tampered with the coding.
It's a coding.
Yeah?
You don't require it anyway. It's a
Yeah,
coding.
but
It's coding. It's not required for you because if I teach you coding, what happened? You'll try to damage the website. It's not good enough. Okay.
okay.
Wait for some days, then I'll teach you that also.
All right, but
As-
I'm a little bit okay, I understood this. I was a little bit confused about those menus
Oh,
because if we
wait,
create
I'm
this,
coming, boy. I'm coming. Don't worry, I'll
okay,
teach everything because I'm going one by one. Okay.
all right,
Now it's done, right? Now come back.
yeah, yeah,
Slides done. Go back. Then fonts. By default, there are some fonts there. You can change them anyway. You can
all
try.
right,
Colors, header color, word, sidebar color. See, he gave header color you can change, but you can't change these slider settings, right? Now here comes
okay,
the menu. Why you wondering about why the menu is not coming? Once you create
yeah,
appearance in the menu, each and every theme you have to apply your menu. Here also one more option called menu. What is the menu name we have? ABC, right?
ABC and 1, 2,
Click
3,
on
yeah,
menu and here click on view location and select what menu you want, whether you want ABC or 1, 2, 3. I want ABC.
ABC.
Then publish. Now see the difference.
That's the primary menu then.
Can you see here? Home, about us, services, you have a menu.
Yeah,
Clear?
yeah. What about the second menu?
What do you mean by second menu?
Yeah, if I want to add one more menu, 1, 2, 3 to
It
it,
depends.
then how do I
It
add?
depends on the theme. This theme doesn't have that option, but different themes have. This theme you can see here. Only primary
Yeah.
menu option is there, but other themes, especially in ODMT, I have header menu, pre-header menu options. That depends on the themes to theme.
Okay, so basically, you can make multiple menus anyway, but it all depends the
On the theme.
positioning of it based on the theme.
Correct.
All right.
Okay. Right. And you show it to the client that this is my website. This is the website manager. It's very good, but try some other website. If it is good, I'll go for that. Now, simply what do is what do you have to do? You want to try something
Change
else?
the,
Theme. Change the theme.
yeah.
Now go for something latest. Try some other themes.
So if the client doesn't like it, then you go for another option and publish it.
Another theme.
So you can
Install.
change, yeah.
You can change. let me see. Let us try another theme. Or else you can search here also. You can search for hospital theme. So these are the different hospital themes. You can try any one of that. Assume that you liked this theme. Just click on install and activate it.
And it will override the existing one.
Mm.
And then again, you have to create all the pages and the menus.
No, no, no. Pages, menus, everything will be done. But only customization part you have to do it. Only customization part you have to do it. Let me show you. Yes, the website was like this, right? Now see the website. This is our new website. Menus will be there.
Yeah.
No hospital is there, but the look and feel has been changed. He said that your website will be looking like this, but when applied, it's looking like this because in the customization, you have to do again everything. Again, this theme customization will be different. That you have to do it. Check this, check this, check this, check this. Then definitely it will become good. Now you show it to the client that this is the new website. He said, no man, the previous website is much better than this. Anytime you can come back. This is the previous theme. You can activate it. Options will not change. Now you'll be having
So
that.
everything, also only the theme will be override. Rest of the data in terms
Correct.
of the content and the pages and the menus stays as it is.
You can see here, everything is same now.
Okay, one
So
more question. If in a theme there are 2 and 3 menu options and I don't want 2 and 3 menu options, I can drop that, right?
you can drop. If you don't show up, that's it. It won't come.
Okay, all right.
Now, what I tell you is before you go into the client, first of all, try multiple themes, some 5 to 6 themes, customize it and show them this theme, this theme. Maybe he'll be liking one theme, just go with that theme only. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So when you practice, as of now, this is the basics. In this, many things are there. How to add contact form, live chat, pop-up, many things are there. But if I teach you, you'll get confused. First, I'll give you subdomain access and you practice it. You come back, the remaining things I'll teach you.
All right. All right.
Let me revise things. Once you purchase your domain and hosting, and assume that your website is www.abc.com, and you're doing with the WordPress, you have to log
Yeah.
in. How you have to log in? Slash.
WP-admin
It will ask you username and password.
password.
This username and password you will be getting when you're buying a domain and hosting. If you enter, it will go into the dashboard. Now, once you go to the dashboard, there are many options are there. Now, what are the step-by-step process of creating a website? What is the first step?
Create pages.
Pages. Second.
Create menu,
Third.
theme, and customize.
Theme and customize. Okay. Right. So now you select any topic, whether you want a school, college, hospital ID database. You do one thing. You want to start a digital marketing agency or a digital marketing training institute. Create one
Yeah.
website on that. Where you should be home, about us, contact us, and courses. You mentioned courses. Under courses, they want to teach them.
Services, you mean?
No, if you start institute courses, agency means services. Mention
Okay.
like SEO, Google Ads, social media,
All
and
right.
you try. But I'm telling you, if you still want to be a student, work on 2 to 3 games. But if you want to be a
Okay.
developer, future, you want to take clients, minimum 20 to 30 themes you have to work.
All
Then only
right.
you learn. Each theme customization is different that you only have to learn it. And this is not a rocket science, just checking this.
All right. So basically, I'll override this with a new theme.
No. I'm going to delete everything because I'm going to give
Okay.
you
All
new
right.
one. See here, deleting is also very easy. Select all of them.
Yeah.
I removed the pages. Again, I'm going to the menu. I'm deleting the menu. 2 menus I've created. 2 menus I'm going to remove.
So I just have to create a single.
Everything from the scratch, you have to do it. Now
All
I'm
right.
going back to the old theme. These themes also I'm removing it.
All right.
Now what are the images I added? It will be there in the media. Those images also I'm removing it. And in the customize, I added the hospital name as Lubna Hospital. That also I'm removing it. Done. Initially we started, it was like this. Second became like this. Third it became like this. We changed, it's this. Now, after deleting everything, your website has become like this. Empty. I'm going to send the ID and password to you. You can start working. Your task is you're going to create a digital marketing institute website.
All right.
So I'll see how much you make.
All right.
Okay. Yes. Thank you very much, guys. And if you have any questions in designing, again, I'm going to tell you, designing is very vast. And day by day, you'll be learning anyway. Next series of videos I'm going to create and I'll be posting on this channel. And there will be a playlist anyway. Watch the playlist also. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. If you want to take online training, you can come back to my ODMC website. You can fill the form so that we can get back to you. And even you can take our e-learning videos also, all the videos together, advanced videos up to date. You can buy them. Or else you have a company, you're looking forward for the digital marketing services from me, you can fill the form so that I'll get back to you. Whether it is a school website, college website, hospital website, or else e-commerce website, I'll be helping you on that. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.